My need to share my life learnings comes from my childhood. I don't know if you can see this on camera, you probably can't, but I'm actually in my study right now, and behind me is an old Chinese medicine cabinet that is 800 odd years old, and it is, I've been collecting magic tricks since I've been 4 years old, so that's 40 years. I've got some of the most wonderful magic tricks. And I'm a member of the Magic Circle in the UK, and I must say I'm probably one of the worst magicians in the world, because all magicians are supposed to be sworn to secrecy and not reveal how their illusions, tricks or stunts are performed, and I've always been pretty hopeless at that. As soon as I learn the trick, I want to perform it, and then even whilst halfway through performing it, I want to show people how it's done. And I've got great joy in my life. You know, my parents always used to give me a bad time for saying, you know, why do you spend so much money on your friends? And I say, because I want to. If I want to do that, why shouldn't I? What I love, more than receiving gifts, I love giving gifts. I love watching the look on someone's face when they realize how much I've thought about them and curated the most appropriate, lovely, clever little gift, and watch them receive it. And that to me just gives me so much joy. And in the same way, it gives me joy showing somebody how something works. So, of course, when I first learned how to trade currencies, and by the way, I was never planning to be a currency trader. I thought I was going to be a veterinarian. I mean, I was an animal physiologist. I just won a scholarship to go to Edinburgh to finish my vet practice. I get a job in London as an IT guy, and suddenly I'm on a trading floor sitting next to a guy who's trading 38 billion euros on behalf of 3 funds. And I'm like, there's a strategy to this, and there's a trick to this. And I learned it. And as soon as I learned it, not only did I apply it for myself, I couldn't wait to show my friends. So my mate who I was living with from Nottingham, who was showing my flat in London, he became a currency trader pretty much in the same month I did, because every time I did something, I showed him. And I remember having about 40 odd people camped out on my lounge room floor. And this is back in 2001. Right, teaching all my mates to trade, all smoking cigarettes, drinking coffee. We started at sort of 5 in the morning. And that sharing of knowledge, that sharing of wisdom, ideas, is giving a gift. That to me has always been something that's always made me feel good.